You can create AI music videos in 2 minutes with AI, and I'm going to show you the whole process, not just talk about it. The tool is freebeat. Stick around, because the result at the end is genuinely impressive. So what is freebeat? Straight from the source, create cinematic AI music videos from any song in minutes. Rhythm-synced visuals, consistent avatars, clean lip-sync, full style control. No editing skills needed. Start free. In plain words, it lets you create AI music videos without any skills. Let me show you what it can really do. Here's what makes freebeat worth your time, taken straight from the tool itself. First, turn music and ideas into viral videos in one click. On top of that, the first AI music video generator thinking in rhythm. That's real capability, not marketing fluff. And these aren't mock-ups. This is real work people made with freebeat. Look at the quality, and keep in mind they had no experience when they started. It goes further too. Directed music video, not generated. Rhythm is the script. So it's not a one-trick tool, you'll actually keep using it. Let's actually use it. Go to the freebeat website and sign up. You can log in with Google in a few seconds, and the free plan needs no credit card. Once you're in, you start your project the same way you saw in those examples. You describe what you want in plain words, or upload your own file to work from. Hit generate, and freebeat does the heavy lifting in seconds. If it's not perfect, you tweak your prompt or settings and run it again. That back and forth is where the magic happens. When you're happy, export your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your business, or social media. The whole thing really does take about 2 minutes. Honestly, the free plan is enough to get real value and test it properly. You only need to pay once you're scaling up or want commercial rights. No pressure to upgrade on day one. That's the full process to create AI music videos with freebeat in 2 minutes. The link to try it is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down a new AI tool properly every day.